Hey, it's Mark Ling here, and in this video we're going to look at removing the dates from posts. So all we need to do is go to plugins and add new. See, plugins, add new, and then I will search for a plugin, remove date, press enter, and there'll be a plugin. There we go, hide and remove, not metadata. WP date remover, there we go, install and activate. Done. And now if I go and check it out, the website, now if I refresh the page, it's still got the date. So I might have to actually go into the plugin itself to do something to get rid of that. So I will just go in under plugins, settings, WP date remover there. So I'll just go close on that part. All right, your account has been WP date remover. Do you want yes, enable auto update for word fence? Maybe I have to click on that, and I actually have to click all the date. So any post that's uncategorized, maybe that's it. So I've clicked on uncategorized. So maybe I had to just go into that setting and change that. Now it's gone. Now the dates are gone. Great. Perfect. So that's all I wanted to do, is remove the dates. And that's it for this particular video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.